What's better than a denim jacket? A denim jacket with a unique personality. Let's go over 4 steps to add some panache into one. Step 1. Prepare. Start by laying it out flat and securing it in place. Iron out wrinkles if needed and mask off areas you don't wish to paint. Next, sketch your design on the jacket first. Use a piece of chalk or a ballpoint pen. Grab our range of Camel Acrylic Colours and specialty brushes. Begin by painting borders first. Fill in with lighter shades and then darker. Swap brush heads for different effects. Dry overnight. Step 3. Highlights. Pick your shades of metallic powder. Mix them with our fabric medium to form a thin paste. Sprinkle, paint, or dab over your artwork to add highlights. And finally, embellish. Place your stones, sequins, etc. on the artwork and try your arrangement. Adjust as needed. Once you're ready, stick them on with Camel's Fabric Glue and let dry. And there you have it. Your colorful style statement is complete. You know the drill now. Ready to transform your wardrobe?